Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to register, how to get or download the Pink app. I know you guys have been hearing about it. You've been hearing Pink app. Well, big secret, guys, and big reveal. The Pink app is actually Poppo Live. It's actually Poppo Live. So I'll just be showing you how to get it. Okay. So all you have to do now, just go to your Play Store. It's available to Nigerians, and you just have to go search Pink app. Oh, sorry, I mean Poppo Live. Poppo Live. Yeah, this is the app. As you can see right here, this is the app. Poppo Live Stream. Install. Okay. What you need to get about this app, you is just something similar to TikTok. So you earn money by streaming and doing some other mini attacks. Okay. You can play games there, but you have to level up. So yeah, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, but you need to level up. But in my own opinion, guys, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. From the research that I made about the app is you have to, for every, if when you are in it, when you are, let me say, you are eligible to go for live streaming, because you won't just open the app and be eligible immediately. You need to do some tasks and perform some other things for you to be eligible for live streaming. So when you start going for live streaming, in 1 hour they will give you 1,000 points. So every single day, if you can go live for every single day, you get 1,000 points, 1,000 points, and 10,000 points is what makes $1. Imagine you have to wait up to 10 days to get $1. But yeah, due to demands, I'll just show you how to register and some of the things I've learned about it. But in my own opinion, it's not worth it. Okay. Education. Now you have to sign in. Okay, allow. Choose your account. So you can fill your details or type a nickname. If you're Nigerian, you put male. If you're male, if you're female, you put female. Then you put submit. This is not necessary. This inviter, yeah, it's not necessary. You can just put anything there. Request location, you can confirm, and you'll be given a gift. Immediately you just started, you'll be given a gift. I mean, that's some points at least, not really money points. As you can see, this is the live streaming. This is Poppo Live. This is the interface. This is what you see immediately you are registering. Okay, first you need to fill up your profile. This is your profile. You can put any name you like, any name. Uh, See, this is it. Okay, white level, everything is here. You can add your profile, your profile picture. But now let's get to the real deal. Okay, if you want to go live, as you can see, this is the live button here at the bottom of your screen. Yeah, look at it. When I tap go live, you see the conditions necessary for it. Okay, so look at it. Now for you to go live, as you can see here, live application conditions, you need to do a face authentication. You need to a live photo. You upload a live photo of yourself. That means you take a live selfie, and your level have to be level 5. This wealth level here, as you can see, let me show you where you can check your wealth level. As you can see on my profile here, this wealth level, I'm still at level 1. So for you to go live, you need to increase your wealth level to level 5. Okay, and you can also join others live streaming and do some other tasks on here. The app is really, it has a wide series of different things that you can do. As you can see, you can join live. Let me join one of these live. streaming. Okay, you can see it. This is Poppo Life. It's just like joining. It's just like TikTok. It's similar to TikTok. So okay, if you have any other questions, I'll be ending the video. I don't want it to be too long, but if you have any questions, you can drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to get back to you on that. Thank you. Please, if you like this video, at least drop a like and subscribe for more, please. Thank you very much.
You